Let's do a quick unboxing of the newest addition to my craft room. Something I didn't need, but once I saw it was available, actually I didn't even know this was in existence yet until I received a question on my Etsy shop on one of my listings about this brand. So it came from, as you can see, Amazon. I've already opened the outer box, but let's look for the very first time of what is inside. Oops. This is the new Universal Cinch from We Are Makers. This one is slightly different than the one that I'm currently using. Mine is the pink one with the squares. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. First of all, I see I have my instruction booklet. And let's see what else is in here. Of course, the machine. And this little container of goodies. Okay, this is really odd. I have made things like this. Okay, anyway, this is what's inside. So comes with 3 things: your instruction booklet, your guide. This, I know exactly what these are because I've made these myself. This is a guide so you can determine how big of binding rings that you need for how much paper you have. And then this little thing goes on the back of your machine. I have actually made one of these. I have an STL of this, and it attaches onto the back, and you can set your binding rings down in here to help stabilize it. Yeah, actually I'm really surprised to see this because I've seen these on Etsy, I've seen these everywhere. I actually have my own that I made, so interesting. At first glance, it looks almost identical to the older machines. It has the clip here that holds the handle down. It has your hole punches. It has the place on the side to load up your binding wires. It also has the back where you can where you can squeeze them together, and then it has the dial, same dial, where you can change the diameter. This does pull out like the other one does, but I see that this one has guides that are just printed. It doesn't have that actual physical guide like the older ones do. So all in all, it looks like almost an identical built machine, but there are some key differences in this one compared to either the older circle or square punch. So that is just a quick unboxing. In the next video, I will go over some of the differences between this one and the older one that I have. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.